Hello and welcome back to another video here at KTN Gaming. So once again we're back on the Amiga Beast and we're on a classic Action Fighter by Sega. Let's get audio on. I mean, some of the audio for these games are very good. KTN. Let's go. First mission, destroy 3 enemy U-boats. Okay, I will. Well, I'll try anyway. Whoa, fucking. Is he on my side? Oh, does he give me a lift then? Well, you got me. That didn't work. Oh, yeah. Tell them what them red flags are. Got me. Flipping hell, that was a bit quick, weren't it? What's cracking here? Ah, that one got me. Let's have another go. Whoa, don't want none of that. That's it, KTN. Right, let's try again. Nice one. Whoa, no need for that. I've not even started yet, give me a chance. Yes, so that were Action Fighter by Sega. Obviously not one of my best. Just giving you a showcase of like games I used to play. See, some I used to play a lot, some I used to play them and think like that, it's just you. That one obviously weren't one of my best. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe if you're enjoying my obviously my Amiga stuff. I'll see you next one.